All right, guys, we have the fifth hired request of the 2018 list up today. Whitney Houston, I Have Nothing. Let's take a listen to it. Then the verse starts there, you know. And so forth. And she's singing high there, so I'm trying to get up there. But anyway, hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. And all of the lessons for this song, as well as thousands and thousands of other lessons I've done over the past 11 or 12 years, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, something on there for everyone, no matter what genre of music you're into or what level. In fact, I even have very beginner lessons if you don't know anything about piano or music. I have 50 basic lessons to get you started and on your way to playing stuff like this. But let's get going here. We're in the key of G to start with. And we're going to have I'm going to play a G octave here on the left hand just to fill it out a little bit. And I have a piano sound layered with an electric piano sound to give me that sound that I'm using. Okay, so if you're just playing piano, that will work too. But I'm having a G octave in the left hand. The right hand will do D, F sharp, G, and I'll go 5, 2, 1. That's the best fingering for that, I think. You can go 5, 1, 2. I just like doing 5, 2, 1, so you can choose what you want to do. And here I have an A and a B. I put those in parentheses because they're the string. There's a string sound, or maybe actual strings playing there. Who knows? But I just thought it would kind of help the arrangement, so I put those notes in there. You can leave them out or put them in. A, B. Now when you get here, the right hand's going to continue what it's been doing for this measure and the next one, but the left hand's going to do an E octave, and then A, B, D, 3, 2, 1. This is actually a keyboard sound that's being used here in the recording. So just line those up, A, B, D. There's a piano that comes in later, so I just kind of mix those two together, and it all works out pretty good, I think. All right, next measure goes to a C chord. We started with a G chord, and then we went to an E minor. Now we're on C. Again, I have some parentheses notes there because they're string sounds, but I thought they fit nicely in our arrangement. So the left hand is a low C. You can also do this, C to E. That'll, if you can reach that. You can't just play a C octave, but I like the C to E sometimes. And A there, and then we're going to go to A minor in the next measure. Ba, 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 3, 4, 1. Now you may just want to wait a little bit there, but really you can count it. 3, 4, ba, da, 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 da. Okay, so just count that. Don't just wait and have silence. Count it. So the left hand here is A. If you can reach a B, I hear a B in there with the strings maybe, so that's kind of neat to add that in there. If you want to just do an A octave, that's fine. The right hand here is going to go D, E, G though. It's not D, F sharp, G, it's D, E, G 2 times. And then we'll do C, E, G, C, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on an A octave. Bum, bum. Now I have a slur connecting them. The second one has a staccato on it, so put some space there. Da, da. Then we'll do da, da on a D chord. D, F sharp, A, D. 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on the D octave. So at the beginning of that measure, 1, 2, ba, 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 3, 4, da, na, ba, da, da, da. All right, so that's where the singing starts. We'll keep going some more on this part 1, give you a little more. So the right hand, look. So this is how detailed I try to get. I mean, if you just on a surface listening, you might hear D, F sharp, G again there, because the rest of it's always been D, F sharp, G, right? Well, this one time right here, the keyboard player does this for whatever reason. So I want to show you those little details as much as I can. So that goes D, G, F sharp. You listen really closely, you'll hear it too. Listen to the original recording. Now here we're on a G, G, and then D up here. So G, G, D. So ba da da, ba da da da. Now here you'll hear some dissonance. And for some reason when you play a keyboard sound, it's going to be less, it's going to sound a little bit cooler. It's going to mix a little bit better than just pure piano sometimes. If you're playing just pure piano, you might want to play the left hand a little softer. Okay, so that might bite a little bit harmonically if you're on just a piano sound, and that's okay. But E octave, then I'll come up here, E, G, A, B. Very nice with the keyboard sound. So the right hand goes D, D, F sharp, and then G and D. You can either use 3 and 5 there or scoot your thumb over and do your thumb. Then it's F sharp, G, D, F sharp, G, D, D, F sharp. All right, the left hand had the E octave and then the E, G, A, B there, all mixed together. So it's 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, and a. Okay, let's tie that together starting here. Ba, da, na. Right, so I held those because of the dashes there. Da, 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 hold, da, da. Now we go to the chord of C here. So the left hand has a C octave and then a C to E if you can reach it. If you can't, just play the C octave again, no big deal. The right hand has C, D, E, G, another fist of a chord there where you have a lot of notes together, which makes it just a nice dissonance. D, E, and then C, G, D, E, D, F sharp, D, C, E, D, F sharp, E, D, and that kind of makes a little melody. Ba, da, 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 da. Hear that? So put it all together. Here's another dissonance that'll bite a little bit if you don't play it softly enough on your left hand. If it bothers you, leave the F sharp out. Just do GB. But if you'll play it right, your ear will get used to it and you'll actually start having that dissonance in there, the B, F sharp, G, okay? Just don't play it too loudly. F sharp, G. But you don't have to have it in there, you can leave it out. There's an A all by itself, it goes right, left, then a D octave there. Okay, okay, so G, A, D, G, A, D. Now a little flip here. We're going to a C, E, G chord, but we have just a D flip to get to that E. E again, D, F sharp, G together, 2, 4, 5, then A, D. So we have. Notice that left hand's all by itself there. All right, and then here we have. Okay, so this is like the beginning. Okay. A, B. So that's far enough on this part one, I think. Let's wrap up starting here where the verse starts, and we'll go all the way to here, and we'll do the part two and the rest of the parts on webpianoteacher.com. All right, so here we go. And then we'll pick up right right there on the website. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1, and I'll talk to you later.